Hello guys, good evening everyone. How are you all today? Me, I'm busy today, but still manage. Happy Tuesday. I hope all is in good health, out of danger, and always healthy. I just want to ask how are you everyone, and before I go to sleep I just want to say have a good night's sleep everyone, and see you tomorrow. I miss you all. The aircon is so cold, that's why I need to wrap my body with a blanket. Very cold the aircon, because it's already winter, and the aircon is, I think it's in 18. I'm gonna sleep early because I'm so sleepy a while ago. I sleep late last night and then I wake up 6. Now I'm so sleepy already. Anyway, bye guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.